So my loves, we're going to be doing groundnut soup. So these are all the ingredients I'll be using for this delicious soup. We're going to start with the meat prep, and I'm adding Maggi cube, white pepper, salt, and and a little bit of water to let this thing cook till it is juicy and sweet and ready. Yeah. So I'm going to be blending my garlic, tomatoes, scratch basil, green onions, parsley, cilantro, ginger, and onions. Blend it till it's nice and smooth. I'm going to be pouring this mixture into this hot pan and letting it cook for a good 15 minutes. I'm just doing the rest of the tomatoes. This is the easiest method ever, so you guys better try this recipe. Don't sleep on this particular granola soup recipe. And I'm just mixing everything, and I'm going to be using my GAIF peanut butter. I got this from Walmart, so you can get it for cheap, $2, anything. Add some water and just mix it up. Whip that shit up and whip it well, and pour your whole mixture into the pan and let it cook. Ooh, look good with that. But yeah, that's how everything is looking right now. It looks thick, but I'll be adding some of the stock, and I'm just adding some paprika to make it a little spicy because I didn't have habanero, and I'm adding salt, and I'm just going to be adding like my other seasoning: salt, white pepper, and Maggi. 3 cubes of Maggi. Mix everything up nicely. Look at that. Oof. And add some of the stock from the meat. You want all that flavor, that flavoring in this soup. So mix everything up. Oof, I love me some meat. Look at that. Everything is already ready, and I'm already ready to dig in. I had this with white jasmine rice. So make sure you guys try this recipe and let me know in the comment section what you think. And I'll see you guys on my next video. Enjoy.